Hey guys, Marcus here at the Scout Outdoor Center, and recently I had the opportunity to get away to the Onkaparinga Gorge and try a bit of gear, test a few things, and now I get to share some of that with you. First thing we're going to look at is the Aku Alterra boots. I was really impressed with these boots. Quick rundown of the specs. They've got a sock fit on them, which just basically means there's no gusset in along here. So it fits the top of the foot really well and comfortably. There is a Vibram outsole, fairly aggressive lugs. It's got an asymmetric last, I don't know if you can see that, which basically helps the natural roll of your foot as you step. It's a full Gore-Tex boot. It has a slightly wider forefoot, which is great for me and many Australians because walking around barefoot or in thongs all day long kind of lets your foot spread out. And the forefoot in this really is wide enough to accommodate that slightly wider foot. Enough about the specs. I was really impressed with this boot. So as you can see, the terrain we were going over was pretty varied. There was muddy sections, there was tree crossings, lots of rock hopping and rock scrambling, and I felt like the boots performed really well. I'm coming from a background of somebody who's not worn a boot regularly. Often I've done a lot of my bushwalking in shoes, but I was really impressed. The stiffness actually did provide a bit of structure for my foot and it left me with a bit less foot fatigue. I'll just show you guys quickly a lacing setup that I found really helpful for locking in my heel into this boot, which really allowed me to feel the ground a little bit more, at least like control my feet a little bit more. So I laced it up. Here, I'll drop this one down. So I laced it up like normal. Started like this and went across up to the top. And at this point, I doubled back over down this way. And then I tied across the bottom here. So what this did was it allowed me to pull on this part of the shoe and lock my ankle and heel into the back of the boot. Which when I was going downhill kept my feet in place and not moving around too much. And it also gave me a lot of tactile sense of where I was as I was rock hopping. So that's the Aku Alterra boot. Really impressed with the boot. I think you guys should check them out. You won't be disappointed. Until next time guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, push that little thumbs up button underneath. Feel free to share it with your mates and get out there and enjoy yourselves. Cheers.
Is that a rat in that one? Quite tricky.
Yeah, it is. Maybe. I got no idea. Rock formations are pretty cool, man. Hard to like.
Oh, I wish I could catch this.